Hello and welcome back. So in today's video I'm going to show you how you can identify your phone's chipset that you are going to work on. So let's say you have a mobile phone that you are going to unlock, but you don't know the chipset, because the moment you are going to work on the phone's software, the first thing that you have to know is identifying the phone's chipset. So for the purpose of this video I have ITEL 2173 and I also have Redmi 9C. So these are the phones we are going to demonstrate on in understanding the mobile phone's chipset. So the chipset of the mobile phone is the one that will determine the type of software you're going to use to unlock the phone. So that's the number one thing that you have to understand whenever you're going to unlock the phone. So how do you identify the mobile phone's chipset? So in this video I'm going to show you the free software that I use to identify the mobile phone's chipset, and later on I'm going to show you the software that is built in the computer that you can use without downloading a third-party option. So let's get started. So the very first thing that you need to do, you have to come to Google, and when you come to Google search, you're going to type PDT, or to be brief you can type platform detector. So you go ahead and search for platform detector. So this is a free software and I'm going to show you how to download it. I will leave the link in the video description so you don't have to go to the same steps that I'm demonstrating right here. So once the GSM forum opens up, you are going to scroll down, and this is the platform that we are talking about. This is a free software, easy to download, easy to use, and I'm just going to show you how to do that. So below this image you'll find the download link. So you just click on the download link right here and it will open in a new window. So once the result loads, so right here you can take notice of the passwords. So I'm just going to copy one of the two passwords. I'm going to copy it and then scroll down to platform detector version 1.02. So click on that, and right here the software will download. So click on save and it will start downloading right here. So once the download is completed, I'm just going to open the software. This is it right here. So I'm going to open up the software, and here I'm requested to put the password. So I paste the password and tap on OK. So it comes as a zip file. I tap on PDT, and here I have my platform detector by Infinity Box Team. So let me clear my screen. So this is the simplest software that you can use to detect your mobile phone's chipset. And as you can see, they say connect device to USB cable while holding both volume buttons. So that is for the case of smartphones. I'm just going to demonstrate for you right now. So I'm going to grab my USB data cable. So volume buttons and connect USB. So once you hear that sound, know that the computer has connected in Broom mode. So as you can see, connected device, vendor. So it discovers MediaTek as the chipset, and the mode is MediaTek Broom mode. Preloader is off. We're going to talk about the Broom mode and preloader in the subsequent videos, but for now this video we are focused on the vendor, which is the chipset that is powering the mobile phone. So this one we discover is a MediaTek mobile phone. So what does that mean? It means if I'm going to unlock this phone, I will need to go for softwares that support MediaTek chipsets, and that's how we get to decide which software we are going to use while unlocking a particular phone. You have to understand and you have to know first the chipset of the mobile phone, and then you go to the software that supports that particular chipset. And then for the other example, I have this button phone. This is a small button phone, ITEL, I guess 2173, and I'm just going to connect it as well. Let me just clear this on the software. And so just going to connect without actually pressing on the broom button. So just connect and see if the software gives us anything. Okay, you see vendor Spreadtrum. This gives us the chipset without even pressing on the broom button. But now while you're going to perform any function on this phone, you have to press a broom button. Some phones will give you the chipset without even pressing on the broom button, but whenever you're using a software, the phone might not connect. So always remember, first thing to know, you have to know the broom button for the particular phone. For example, for this one, the broom button is this key right here. This is the broom button for this phone. So whenever you're going to maybe do factory resetting, you have to input the USB cable while holding this broom button. For example, you hold and connect, immediately the computer will discover it. Similarly, if again put on this phone, if I connect this phone again, and I'm not going to press anywhere, let me just clear this. I'm not going to press anywhere. Let me see if it gives me the chipset. So this one doesn't give me any chipset without pressing on the broom button. So when now the fact that I've already discovered this is a MediaTek chipset, I'm going to use the volume up. Volume up, connect USB, because this volume up is the broom button for most of the MediaTeks, and for this particular phone, just volume up, we will trigger the broom mode for this particular phone. So this is it, guys, how you can tell the chipset that is powering your device that you are going to unlock. Let me also give you another idea how you can easily get to know the chipset without installing any third-party software. So you have to come on the search button, right, and search for device manager. So tap on device manager. So when device manager when device manager opens up, let me just make this one taller. Okay, you just need to come to ports. So you see in ports they have COM port and LPT, but basically these are the COM ports. So just click on this arrow so that you see the ports that are being connected right here. So I'm just going to connect this phone again, and I'm going to press the broom button. So broom button, connect, and it says MediaTek. It disappears shortly after that. So but in these few seconds you will have seen the type of chipset that you are dealing with. So again, let's try it with this button phone. Broom button, put the USB, first sound SPRD, that is the Spreadtrum chipset. So you can disconnect it, and as you can see right here, Spreadtrum Communications Inc. So this is the chipset that is powering this phone. This is how you can simply tell your phone is powered by a particular chipset. So this is it, guys. You like the video, go ahead and hit that like button. If you have anything to ask me, just put it down in the comment section. Subscribe to my channel, and I will see you in the next video. Bye bye and take care.